Hello, future homeowners. I'm Lisa Gibbs, your partner in this exciting, complex world of real estate. Today, we're delving into crucial aspects of the home buying and common regrets buyers face and practical strategies on how to avoid them. Whether you're buying for the first time or adding another property to your portfolio, let's unpack these topics together. Buying a home is more than just a financial transaction. It's a life-changing decision. Let's explore some frequent regrets and how to tackle them. It's easy to get caught up in the look of the home and forget about the possibility of extra expenses. This includes not only your mortgage, but also estimates for ancillary costs. Let's face it, life changes, and so do housing needs. A common regret is buying a home that fits now, and can it adapt to your future life changes, like a growing family? Let's think ahead. We'll consider homes with versatile spaces, maybe an extra room that can be a nursery or an office, or a layout that's easy to modify. We'll also look at the community, and are there good schools, parks? Is this neighborhood family friendly? This foresight ensures your home grows with you. In a competitive market, the pressure to make a quick offer can lead to a rushed decision. Understanding and education is the key to being able to make a very expensive decision quickly. We'll thoroughly evaluate each property from its condition to its location, and I'll assist you in understanding market trends so you know when it's the right time to make an offer and when it's better to wait. Remember, the right home will always come along. It's about making a well-informed choice, not a hasty decision. With the basics covered, let's dive into some advanced tips to ensure your home buying is as regret-free as possible. Beyond the standard home inspection, consider specialized inspections like radon testing or checking for mold. These can uncover issues not immediately apparent, but costly in the long run. If you really like the home, do a drive-by. Spend time in the neighborhood at different times of the day. This hands-on approach gives you the feel for the area, the noise level, the traffic patterns, and the community vibe. Also, if you get a chance, chat with the neighbors to get an unfiltered opinion about living there. You haven't even purchased the home yet. It is wise, though, to consider future resale value. Look at the trends in the area, planned developments, and factors like school district quality. A home is an investment. Let's make sure it's a good one. Buying a home is a journey filled with decisions, but you don't have to navigate it alone. I'm here to help you avoid common regrets. Make a purchase you'll be happy with for years to come. If you have any questions or need any advice, feel free to reach out. Let's find your perfect home together.